Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World videos. In this video, we'll discuss solutions to the 2016 JEE Mains Physics question paper. The next question is also quite concept based, except for the first two graphs. In one case, we are given this, and the other case, there's an extension here. Well, a simple diode is never meant to be operated in the reverse bias region. So we don't generally show this particular region, which is the breakdown region, but the Zener diode, its specific purpose is to function in the breakdown region. So for a Zener diode, we show this extended part. For a simple diode, we do not. So option A is the simple diode, option B is the Zener diode, option C you already know is the solar cell. There's a graph of this in the NCERT book. So the answer to this will be option 1. And finally, for question 30, this is also again quite a standard formula. For alpha and beta characteristics, you have alpha is equal to beta by 1 plus beta. So that's why the answer to this is option 3. This completes the solutions for the physics questions of the 2016 JEE Mains paper. Thank you.